Hello viewers, now we are going to see about zoology general knowledge question with answer. Microbiology, all kinds of microbiology, GK, now we are going to see. The production of scattered purplish lesions over the chest and abdomen is due to Kaposi's sarcoma. Which of the following is the largest of all virus? Pox virus. Paravirus may have 3 to 4 genes. The bacterial disease caused by Yersinia pestis, plague. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Who developed vaccine for rabies in man first? Louis Pasteur. In chicken embryo technique of virus culture, the eggs are incubated at the temperature of 36 degrees Celsius. Virions contain only a single copy of nucleic acid, hence they are called haploid viruses. Tumor-inducing vaccines are called oncogenic viruses. The germ theory of diseases was established by Louis Pasteur. Pain during urination and a yellow discharge from the urethra of male are the symptoms of gonorrhea. Who discovered a system for antiseptic surgery? Joseph Lister. The gastroenteritis is caused by Salmonella clarius. Enterotoxin is produced by Vibrio cholera. The virus which causes smallpox is variola virus. Which one of the following is a sexually transmitted disease? Syphilis. Which disease is characterized by enlarged and inflamed lymph glands? Bubonic plague. Which of the following is the largest of all? Pox virus. Hepatitis B virus is an enveloped virus with a double-stranded DNA. On the basis of whose evidence did Joseph Lister discover antiseptic surgery? Pasteur. Jaundice and hepatic carcinoma are caused in human by hepatitis B virus. The glycoprotein molecules secreted by the leukocyte and fibroblast is interferon. Which of the following is an oncogenic virus? Adenovirus. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize for the work on tuberculosis? Robert Koch. According to chicken embryo technique, which part of the egg is the general medium for the growth of virus? Yolk sac. Virion containing only as a single copy of nucleic acid is called haploid virus. Among the following bacterial diseases, whose one results into increase in blood acidity and increase in hemo concentration? Cholera. Which one of the following is a sexually transmitted disease? Syphilis. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Viruses which are difficult to or impossible to grow can be cultured by which one of the following culture method? Continuous cell line method. An example for tumor-inducing RNA virus is Rous sarcoma. Complex symmetry is seen in the virus Pox virus. Some of the antifungal antibiotics are micronazole and imidazole. Parasitic infections which man acquires from animal are known as zoonoses. Which one of the following is a protozoan disease? African sleeping sickness. The strain which are widely used as vaccines to elicit immunity are avirulent or attenuated. The pathogenic form of Entamoeba histolytica is vegetative trophozoite. Which of the following is associated with diarrhea in children? Giardia intestinalis. The shape of the HIV is spherical. Cycloguanacine is an antiviral antibiotic. Kala azar is caused by Leishmania donovani. Blackwater fever is due to Plasmodium falciparum. The antiretroviral drug given for AIDS is azidothymidine. Gingivitis is caused by trichomonads. Antifungal antibiotics are griseofulvin. The test which is used to confirm the HIV infection, Western blot. The genome of HIV contains 2 helices of RNA. Anti-tumor antibiotics belongs to the group anthromycin. The more promising chemotherapeutic agent for treating viral disease is interferon. If you need this kind of video, you subscribe our channel and like, share, comment. If you need continuously, you press that bell icon. Thank you.